Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. I haven't seen you guys through a webcam for a while, so I thought I'd just say hello and let you guys know that I'm still alive and making videos for people and so on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making a new website. So you've probably seen my website before, and it's got some really good stuff, except some things are a bit hard to find. So for example, if you want to do my worksheets, you'd have to go to math tutorials, and then you have to find the category that something is in. So for example, let's go to integration, and then you can see there are some worksheets. So if you go to worksheet, it brings up a really cool worksheet that you can do, and it also brings up the answers for the worksheet. So there's some really good stuff on my website, but people sometimes have told me that it's a bit hard to find. So I'm going to redesign it, and I'm going to come up with a way so that everything is super easy to find. And hopefully I will release that out to you guys as soon as I've done it. So other than that, just wanted to say hello to everyone, and I'm actually going to be turning 35 very soon. So that is a bit crazy. You guys probably remember my magic mind reading video that I did with my brother. If you don't, just look up mind reading on my channel, and that was 5 years ago. So I have been doing YouTube for a while now. So yeah, just a really long time ago, just reflecting back on everything. But other than that, hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you next time.